Today's tutorial is we are going to draw a cute heart with a ribbon Valentine's Day card. Yeah, I know Valentine's Day is around the corner, so we are going to create this super fun tutorial for this video. We are going to use the markers, the super tip markers, but we're only going to be using the 50. Yeah, so I will have found the colors there when going along with the tutorial. And in the meantime, let's go. So we're getting off started with the hearts. And first of all, let's grab the base color of the heart. You know, it can be red or it can be pink because these are the Valentine's Day themed colors. And I'm gonna use carnation for the base color. But first of all, I need to color with the highlights. So I think pastel pink shall do the trick. And then we're just gonna simply do this on the upper parts of the heart bumps towards the light of where it directly hits from above to another below. And it's okay to rotate your canvas, your artwork screen picture. It shows you the comfortable direction of the condensate direction towards where you're coloring at. Okay, so we're just gonna do this. Let's start from here, and we're gonna make it go gently and slowly through a little bit thicker. And it's okay to lift because I'm doing another one. Let's make it a bit thicker. And we will go for the next one to about here, I think. And now I'm gonna fill in with the heart of the base color. Use carnation or any other shade of pink color. So let's trace it first. Ooh, it's a bit light, but I guess that's fine. Now let's fill it in. Then let's manage it on the bottom. And just be careful because there are two exact leftover ribbons right below. And we'll make an outline as well. And we're just gonna wait for the base color to dry out first. And let's focus on the ribbon. So for the ribbon, let's make it green. But first, let's do the highlights. So I found the lightest shade of green, which is grass green. So let's do it above the parts of the ribbon here with these two loops and a knot. And on the line, so we're gonna make it like very thin, or if you've been a little bit pressured, then we're just gonna make it that exactly thin. Yep. Let's see. We're not gonna try to pressure ourselves. We'll slowly do this. And remember, again, it's okay to overlap with the lines. I mean, to overlap the pen. Okay. This looks wonderful. And now for the base color. Let's use pea green. By the way, this shade of color, it should have tended to be a little bit paler. That's similar to this first pale color that I've got. Yeah, it should have gone in the lighter color. Like for this reason, just like how I did with the heart, but it's alright. Let the ribbon dry out first, and we're gonna create some shadows for the heart. So here's the raspberry one. And to do that, we're gonna make the shadows here, like they're at the below the bow, and even at the pointy part. Well, just a little bit. So that the heart can look a bit more effective. Okay, just gonna do that. And what I'll do is first let's focus on the lines so that it's much easier to do the strength. And so for the obstacle, I just want to make sure that we're gonna do the shadow here at the second ribbon there to the left. Okay, so we will stop till about here. And we'll do the same thing again. And I think we'll do it here. We're just gonna make it like a font of symmetry. Symmetrical. And we're gonna do here right at the end. So I think we're gonna make like a little upside down arc shape. Just do a little bit like this. And trace it first. Then we shade. It's really dark. I should have picked like the magenta color. By the way, there is no reason for such as this, but it's still art. And for the ribbon, we'll use bright green. And we're gonna fill in for the shadows of the loops there for that reflection. So let's do this first, since I think it's dried up. Then let's do it here below the knot. So do this. And here, we'll make it a little bit thinner the way of how they are. Okay. And let's do the ones there, the loops. And even here. Fine. And let's make it way thin for the ribbons below there. So focus on carefully. And then it's gonna turn out that how it would look like this. You can just zoom in on your screen to see how this should look like. Last but not the least, we're gonna do some outlines. So let's start with the heart first. Now we're gonna do the ribbon. And I think that's the end of our tutorial. We've finally ended this tutorial. You can exactly make it as a card on the card cover and give it to someone special that who will be your Valentine for. Or you can just simply give it to anyone as a present, or you'd make this as it's. Okay, so thanks for watching and going along this tutorial. Please like and subscribe on my video and my channel, and I will see you again next time.